Welcome to Casa Mia, your chance to own a beautifully remodeled home in one of Puerto Vallarta most walkable neighborhoods.
Casa Mia, a professionally remodeled ground floor residence, offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, pet-friendly, walkable, with a deep pool and designed for comfort. This residence is perfect for full-time living or as a smart investment in Puerto Vallarta's Centro Sur in a boutique building of only 3 units with no HOA fees. Front patio with bougainvilleas and fountain, a great spot to relax or host guests. The modern kitchen features high-end TEKA appliances, sleek cabinetry, and thoughtful details that make everything living effortless. Inside, you'll find a clean layout, open living and dining area, great natural light, and quality finishes throughout. The second bedroom provides flexibility, perfect for guests, a home office, or creative space, all finished with the same refined touch. The spacious primary suite opens directly to a private terrace with a heated pool, your own oasis for relaxation or entertainment. Attached to the suite, the primary bedroom is styled with a spa-like fixture, offering a serene retreat with every detail meticulously curated. The second bathroom continues the spa-inspired design with elegant fixture and a calming atmosphere for everyday comfort. The independent laundry room has been recently upgraded with brand new blooming, ensure modern convenience and reliability. And right across the street, you'll find Casita Garden, a vibrant restaurant bar where a truly unique dining experience, with daily tasting, live acoustic music. Just a 10 minutes walk from Casa Mia, you'll find Puerto Vallarta's iconic Malecon, a vibrant oceanfront promenade filled with art, culture, and life that invite visitors to capture unforgettable memories. Along the way, you'll discover an incredible culinary scenes, from gourmet restaurants and cozy cafes to lively bars offering the best local flavors. And don't miss the famous Los Muertos Pier, a stunning landmark that lights up the bay at night. I love this, just a step away from your new home.
If you like this property or want to learn more, visit mexlifepb.com and take a closer look. Thank you for watching.